Ever wondered which tool is best for your data analysis needs? Well, you're not alone. Today we'll delve into 4 popular tools in the data analysis world: SQL, Tableau, Excel, and Python. We'll highlight their strengths, weaknesses, and help you understand which tool might be the best fit for your project. First up, we have SQL, a standard language for managing data held in a relational database management system. SQL shines when it comes to querying and manipulating data. Its strength lies in its ability to handle complex queries, making it ideal for managing large data sets. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. SQL's primary weakness is that it lacks the ability to perform advanced statistical analysis. It's a powerful tool, but it's not a one-stop solution for all your data analysis needs. Next, we venture into the realm of Tableau, a leading tool in data visualization. Tableau is a visual treat, turning complex data into understandable, interactive dashboards. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it user-friendly, and it's capable of handling large data sets. However, Tableau falls short when it comes to data cleaning and manipulation. It's a visualization maestro, but you might need to pair it with other tools for a more comprehensive analysis. Moving on, we have the evergreen Excel. Excel is the Swiss Army knife of data analysis for its versatility. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to everyone, and its array of functions can cater to a wide range of data manipulation needs. But Excel has its limitations. It struggles with large data sets, and its visualization capabilities, though decent, are not as advanced as tools like Tableau. Last but not least, we have Python, a general-purpose programming language that has gained popularity in the data analysis sphere. Python's strength lies in its libraries like Pandas and NumPy, which provide advanced capabilities for data manipulation and statistical analysis. Python is versatile and powerful, but it comes with a steep learning curve. It's not as user-friendly as Excel or Tableau, and it requires a solid understanding of programming concepts. In a nutshell, each tool has its unique strengths and weaknesses. SQL is your go-to for complex queries, Tableau is a champion in data visualization, Excel is user-friendly and versatile, and Python, though challenging to learn, provides advanced capabilities for data analysis. The choice of tool depends on your project requirements, the complexity of the analysis, and your comfort with the tool. Remember, in the world of data analysis, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. It's all about finding the right tool for the task at hand. So, equip yourself with the knowledge, understand your needs, and choose wisely.